Hey everybody, welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw Taco Cat, so let's get started. We're going to begin by drawing two large circles for the cat's eyes. Next, add two reflection circles inside each eye, one small and one larger. Next, let's draw the cat's nose as a small upside-down triangle. Then connect two curves for the mouth. The cat's paws are the next step, so draw a half circle on either side of the mouth and connect them with a straight line. Now draw two more lines that bend out slightly and add two little lines on each paw for the toes. Now watch as I draw one big curved rainbow line that connects both ends. Now that we have our taco shape, I'm going to darken these lines underneath just a bit. Add two little eyebrows for personality. Then draw three stripes up here. Now draw three whiskers under each eye like this. Add a little shadow right here. And then start the cat's ears with a triangle above each eye. Draw two more lines to form a triangle inside each ear. And now my favorite part, adding food inside the taco. We're almost done with our drawing, so let's add a question mark shape for the cat's tail. Then draw a little zigzag line for detail and add some background lines. And all we need to do now is color in the eyes black. Just remember to leave those little reflection circles white. Now here's our super cute taco cat all finished. I added a shadow underneath and colored the inside of the ears pink. I left the paws and the end of the tail white and imagined all the different colors of the food inside the taco. I hope you like drawing this taco cat with me. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.